A decade ago, the Maternal Mortality and Morbidity Review Committee found black women in Texas were twice as likely as white women to die during pregnancy or childbirth.
Today, not much has changed. According to the CDC, black women in the United States are 3 times more likely to die from a pregnancy-related cause than white women. And it's worse in Harris County, where black women are 3.5 times more likely to die in childbirth than their white counterparts. That's according to Harris County Public Health.
Well, a Houston woman says she went through a near-death experience twice. Once almost losing her son, decades later almost losing her daughter and grandchild. KPRC 2's Sabira Rayford is live to explain how new federal funding could help address this problem. Sabira?
Keith, Daniela, $1.4 million is coming from the American Rescue Plan Act. It's going to Harris County Public Health, and they're using it to fund their black maternal health program.
He touched a lot of people's lives.
Old photos keep Deborah Walker's memories of her son alive.
He was murdered in 2017.
He died at the age of 36 more years than Deborah thought she'd have.
And I could have mid-death.
She says while giving birth to her son, the doctor had her push so hard she ruptured an artery. After he delivered her son, she sat in isolation,
bleeding internally.
Until a nurse eventually noticed something was wrong and called a code blue.
They had to rush me back to surgery.
She survived, but decades later lived through a similar trauma again with her daughter.
They sometimes think that black women, we can bear the pain.
According to data released by the CDC in March, the U.S. continues to have the highest rate of maternal mortality. It rose 40% from 2020 to 2021, and black women are disproportionately impacted.
There are higher pregnancy-related mortality risks for black women, and black mothers in Harris County,
where black mothers are 3.5 times more likely to die during childbirth, according to Harris County Public Health, leading to Houston Congresswoman Lizzie Fletcher announcing $1.4 million of federal funding from the American Rescue Plan Act. It will go towards Harris County Public Health's Access program, which will provide 300 Harris County mothers with wraparound care, including transportation, educational information, home visits, and more prenatal care.
It's not just those medical factors that contribute to the mortality rates, but it's also the social factors, it's the environmental factors.
Deborah now spends her days advocating for other mothers, serving as the board president of Texas Organizing Project Education Fund.
Rebuild the system, repurpose the system. That's what we need to see moving forward.
The CDC also found that 90% of these deaths are preventable. For more information on the Access program, just visit our website, click2houston.com. Reporting live in the Uptown area, Sabira Rayford, KPRC 2 News.